AC gang, you don't know say boy Capo there guys. I'm back with another video. So guys, as most of you probably know, if you watch Abbi's madness, you probably know Abbi they are fine right now, right?
A good girl finally get what she come for. Grape, apple, everything and so right.
So guys, I come here today, right? So I say yo, I just come here, I'm gonna come back, I go text her sister and make her sister like put on her phone somewhere and then I call Abbi and see Abbi react to my new haircut cause people a long time, you see me tall, but when I tell you the tall and this, I'm always like, me always cut myself and things, so a long time I don't really go way down and cut me hair well low. So, me want to see my look, I'm not saying Abbi teacher go, she always talk about how she like my hair tall and my hair low no look good and whatever, but even though, I feel like say, at time for me just come here and just start back fresh. So that me I got it right now people. So guys, I'm really excited to see how she gonna react, so stay tuned. Make sure to follow up on Instagram down below. Yeah, follow up on Instagram. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Abbi's Madness, and don't forget to subscribe to Capo's TV. Yeah guys, a long time I'm gonna post on the channel and of course because I've been there. So you don't know say you have to just get creative sometime. I'm gonna say more and see a reaction cause anything go guys, if I try and keep posting the same way because we don't want us missing for so long off of YouTube and things. So guys, stay tuned. Yes guys, I'm at barber right now, so I just buy a patty and cocoa bread and an eggnog in it. So I go eat look like patty and then I go all that trim and see it, so stay tuned. Just the road and trim fresh I know, yeah guys, so you know, I try to do some things and then go back up at the yard and see if we can get to the video. So guys, just stay tuned. Abbi, watch out for the day that get killed. What's up guys? So our new day now people, yesterday my trim and thing and I couldn't get to Abbi because she did on the road until like in the night last night. So now I call her because she about to go up on the road again because she been so busy people. So I shout her now and screen record her reaction. So guys, I have hurry up still because I say she busy on the road. She go up on the road right now. So I'm going to call her right now guys and see how she gonna react to my new haircut. So let's go. Well go on. What happened? Look good, don't it? Boy, sweet though.
This guy, somebody never happy. Did I look ugly like alien like last time?
But I look good though. How much you give me that thing?
It's why got this guy off the face. Remember last time you ball and you look extra ugly.
Abbi, I years ago that. My green and my looks.
Turn your head. Why you doing jumper?
I know. You don't have to tell me. So you say, how much you give to that 10? Ah! You fool. I know man. Your beard?
Do you hear that? And the look style,
Yes, my screen record is still because I post it on our channel.
So I look so.
But tell you to fix up yourself. You see, you still, yo, if you're there fine and I got look so. You look worse than you did at Jamaica. Because you know if you are at Jamaica. Oh.
So I got a lot of running up and down to do.
I feel you.
But actually I'm going with yourself though. That actually fit your card to be and that's myself with your ugliness. So I the ugliness. I some of the ugliness.
What shut up about people? Everybody has said the trimming, everything looks shot, so I don't know. I know what you see now.
How did you do that?
Yesterday.
Tell me do that, fast.
What do you mean? Tell them here from my head, man. Tell them here from my head. Since me I go do it. You have to just make a change. Calm down. Calm down. But I never get rid of my beard still. I love my beard because I look good, you know? So long me I groom it for.
Yeah, the beard look good.
Mm-hmm.
Why not go for Capo? Capo. What's your transformation? Nice still.
You still like it?
Yes, sir. Mama, make him never have the beard. You know that ugly.
No follow our man.
Nice. Some fruits are good. How fast today? For breakfast.
So where's the I gotta know? Where I gotta know? Oh. Alright. I will let the she there. So every day on my foot. So you're not paying no mind? Yeah. So guys, that was our reaction. Come on, if I'm still recording now. So guys, I tell you, she must love it, people. She have to love it, kawa. On her face, boy. I'm the Abbi. Abbi, look how long that man. True. I'm not gonna say no. Yeah, so I say we don't go vlog it and things. Somebody want to see reaction and thing, you know. But also what you say now? I say I go on there looking with that thing up on your head. Damn, I'm glad I did the video. Okay, you could look so. You serious, man? Anyway, bye-bye. I'm going to text him. I end the video now. Alright guys, so that was Abbi's reaction to my new haircut. While ago, you know, some of us talking about a lot of people, but I never record it. And the reaction did nice to you know, so which I did actually video that a while ago. But when you see Abbi react, I tell you say the last time I trim off my so low, I'm gonna tell the truth, about like 2014. Yeah, since my head low, so I always leave back some on the top. So now I don't know, I look different and thing, you know. So guys, I hope you enjoy that reaction and thing. I'll be able to give you some funny reaction in the car. And see, Abbi stop for a couple of seconds before she actually could attack. So people, stay tuned to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bell. So you can post a video, you get notified same time, you understand? Yeah guys, so thank you guys for supporting us so far and just look forward to more content from you, see me? Follow up on Instagram down below, see them there. And make sure you subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Abbi's Madness, and don't forget to go over to my channel and subscribe to Capo's TV. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. Until then, Capo is out!